All right, this is Veronique. Veronique just completed her first investment property with us. So Veronique, tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth. What did your financial future look like?
Well, it's pretty simple. It wasn't looking like anything. I don't think I had any idea or thought about that. I was just going through life and through my finance, just not even, not really thinking about it at all. And yeah, that's that's pretty much it
Yeah.
on that. I think, yeah, I would have some dreams of maybe one day get a house to myself. I'd love to have an eco-friendly house, but never really put some thought or understand really how I would get there.
Yeah. And what's changed since meeting Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
Well, getting into the investment property and get my own first investment property, I would never thought I would do that one day. I thought it was something for other people, not thinking myself in that category of people.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one thing. And also, I found the process here really, really easy. If I had to do that by myself, I don't think I would have ever done that, or I would still try. I would probably still try to do it, and been with the hurdles of getting a property here. So I've really found that easy and stress-free most of the time on the process. That was really good.
Great, thank you. And what does your financial future look like now?
Well, it looked a bit more concrete. I can see now that I will be able sooner than I thought to be a bit more financially free and maybe make some change in my work at some stage, but also have that house I really wanted to. And I actually start putting some thought around that a bit more, but not just a dream thought, but more concrete, and start gathering a few things that I'd love to have in my house.
Awesome.
And it makes it not as much as a dream, but much more concrete.
Awesome. Great. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.